Hello Year 1 and welcome to your last maths lesson of the week. We are going to be sorting out our shapes today, which is super tricky, but I know you can do it. So here I have got two categories. I have got cubes and cuboids, and we are going to sort my four shapes that I have got next to me into cubes and cuboids. So my first shape is this one. Now, is that a cube or a cuboid? Let's see. So I can see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. However, I know both of these have 6 faces, so not helping me. What can I look at to see whether this is a cube or a cuboid? Okay, so I know that cuboids have 2 long edges and 2 short edges on this face. And I know that cuboids are not equal. Their faces are not all the same, whereas I think looking at this shape, all my faces are the same size, which makes me think this is a cube. My next one, this is my next shape. What is this? Is this a cube or is this a cuboid? So if I have a little look, I can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces, which is great because both cubes and cuboids have 6 faces. But if I look at the faces, they are not all the same. This face is longer and this face is shorter, so I think this is a cuboid. Okay, now we're going to move on to everyday objects. So I have got this. Do I think this is a cube or a cuboid? I'm going to let you have a little look. I'll give you some clues. All the faces, all 6 of my faces look like they are the same. So do you think that is a cube or a cuboid? Well done, this is a cube. And my last one's a little bit heavy, so I might have to lift it. Here. Is this a cube or a cuboid? Let me spin it round so you can see it properly. What do you think? Cube or cuboid? Good job. This is a cuboid. Okay, I have got 2 different categories now. So I have got less than 2 faces. So shapes that have less than 2 faces, and shapes over here that have 2 or more. So less than 2. So 1 face, or 2 or more, so 2 faces and higher. So we're going to go through all my shapes and sort them out properly. So the first one, my very, very, very big sphere. How many faces does this have? Well done. It just has 1 big round face, doesn't it? 1 big round face. So is that less than 2 or more than 2? Well done. It is definitely less than 2. So that goes over here. My next shape. Here we go. What is this shape? It is a cylinder. So let's count the faces on my cylinder. 1, 2, 3. Is 3 less than 2 or more than 2? Good, it is more than 2, so that one can go over here. And my final shape. What 3D shape is that? Fantastic, that is a cone. How many faces does my cone have? Let's have a little count. So I have got 1 and 2. Is 2 less than 2 or 2 or more? Fantastic. It goes over here because it has 2 or more, and this one is only less than 2. So this one has 2 faces, so it has to go in the 2 or more faces category. Okay, the last categories we have for sorting out our shapes, I have straight edges and curved edges. So let's look at our shapes and see if they have got straight or curved edges. So my first one here, are the edges on this shape curved or are they straight? Well done, they are curved, aren't they? There's 1, and my other one, 2. Curved edges. Fantastic. Okay. Here we have my square-based pyramid. Are the edges on my square-based pyramid straight or curved? Are they straight or curved? Fantastic. They are dead straight, aren't they? They're not curved like this. They are completely straight. So that goes over there. So I've sorted 2 so far. Next, here is my cube. Are the edges in my cube straight or are they curved? Like that. Fantastic. These edges are straight. The edges in my cube are the same as the edges in my square-based pyramid. So over that one goes. Next one. Here we go. I have got my cuboid. Does my cuboid have straight edges or curved edges? What do you think? Well done, it does indeed have straight edges. My goodness, lots of straight edges. And my final shape, my cone. Does my cone have straight edges or a curved edge? Well done. There is only one edge in my 3D shape and it is curved. Year 1, fantastic work this week. You have been able to recognise 3D shapes, you have described the properties of 3D shapes, and you have learnt how to sort them according to the properties they have. That is some fantastic work. You should be so proud of yourselves. I really hope you have enjoyed learning all about your shapes and doing your activities, and you do have a follow-up activity after today's lesson as well. Have a lovely rest of your day.